Well, guys, I'm going to try unboxing this again. Thanks to an awesome supporter of the channel who sent me this FMS 1/10 scale Ford F100. Man, this thing is just beautiful. Tried to film this twice and my stupid piece of junk phone quit. So we'll try this once again. Third time's a charm, I hope. Of course, get your manual, all that. FMS manuals are good. I've got several of the airplanes, good stuff. Good radio, several adjustments inside. Very cool. And then, I mean, just this truck, it's cool as hell. Very cool. Big old squishy tires. It doesn't have foams in them. They're just rubber and air. So that's pretty cool. Already got the body pins out. Very nice. It's really a neat setup, man. I mean, the shocks are very nice. I mean, the suspension on this thing is very nice. Excuse me. I put the wheelie bar on just for now, but I'm gonna probably move it quite a bit. It's got a pretty neat little latch system for the battery. Pretty cool setup. One setup, or one battery right in the middle. So yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm gonna change the plug out because I'm more than likely gonna change the plug out to an XT90 because I think I'm gonna run a lipo in it. But I need to look at the manual because I can't tell on the ESC if it's lipo ready or not. I imagine it is, but gotta make sure because I don't want to smoke it, especially since it's a ESC receiver combo. That could be a little bit expensive to fix if I fried both. But I mean, this thing is just built very tough, very nice. So yeah, huge thanks to the person that sent this to me. I really appreciate it. I mean, it just looks so good. But yeah, it's gonna be a fun one. If we ever get to start running, we've had nothing but rain. We've had so much rain this year that it's just unreal. The racetrack is literally underwater, all the way around. So you walk in the grass and it's just squish. So it's bad. But anyway, guys, I will let you go before my phone dies on me again. But see if I can actually get this one recorded. So thanks a lot for watching, guys, and we'll talk to you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.